When I think about how our work at Habitat Macedonia is related to this year's theme of the World Habitat Day, which is providing affordable homes, I cannot imagine or I cannot select a simple program or project or activity simply because whatever we do, in my very strong belief, whatever we do in Habitat Macedonia has been in the past and it is still related to providing affordable homes for low-income families. We do new builds for families in need through providing low-cost housing, very low-cost apartments, and also affordable financing. We provide housing microfinance loans for renovation and reconstruction of existing homes. We do work on improving energy efficiency of collective apartment buildings in Macedonia. We do work on improving the legislation and regulatory framework for management of apartment buildings in Macedonia. We advocate for housing rights all across Macedonia. So all these activities are one way or another related to providing affordable homes for our target group, and that's simply our mission. That's what we do.
My name is Germán. I come from Colombia. It's a country in Latin America. So I grew up in a country where it was common for me also to see people in need and to really see how the efforts that one can make have a huge impact over people's lives. That's the reason why I joined the initiative here in Macedonia, and I am very, very happy to be able to help the communities, to help the people that didn't have the privileges that maybe I had, and to give back some of what life has given me. I would like to invite all the people that are also thinking about doing a volunteer experience. It's really an amazing experience. It's something that you will never forget in your life, and it really makes you feel a part of a whole. It makes you feel part of something special.
I'm Iona from Albania, and I joined this group as a part of the technical team of Henkel. It's important to me to be part of this global movement for good, which is improving the life of, let's say, poorest people all over the world. It is important to me also to volunteering. This makes me appreciate more what I took for granted in my life. I volunteered in my country, and it doesn't mean a lot in the beginning for me to give 2 or 3 days on volunteering on building houses, but it means a lot to them. Seeing seeing a year or 2 years after what you did I can't explain it with words. That made me feel a better person, and this is what I will continue to do in the future.